blood clot now. I know you're a blood clot. Tell me bullshit.
Listen, check this out. Let me check this out. You see what you're talking about? You don't have to buy me a fucking thing. I carry go show my big house over there.
Move your blood clot from here.
You're not ready yet.
Move your blood clot from here.
All they do,
fuck you.
Squander.
Fuck you.
That's all
you understand? Fuck
Squander. When you
clot.
broke
Fuck
again,
off
yeah,
from me.
hard. Save your fucking
What the blood clot you want me to do?
Yeah. Save your blood.
I come at Jamaica, me I work, you have a fucking problem talk about love. What the fuck love can do for me? What the fuck your love can do for me?
I'm full of girl.
I don't blood clot here.
I'm full of blood clot, yeah.
Me no pussy clot here. I'm money me say.
Full of girl.
I'm money me say. Go fuck down the world Jamaica. I don't care a fuck.
Full of blood.
Not care a blood clot. You the same pussy. You the same pussy all who take a blood clot set for me and cuss me and tell me how me live in a shelter and how my life mash up. Every fucking time.
You're a liar.
Every fucking time.
I'll be a liar.
Fuck off from me.
I'll be a liar.
Get the fuck out of me. Get the fuck out of me. Get the fuck out of my face. Get the fuck out of my face. You dog shit. Get out of my face. Man, stop your bumper clot. Watch. Watch. Imagine. This boy don't know what the fuck he wants in life. You want me to blood clot, give you attention. But I come at Jamaica for the attention. At least we spend one. Move the blood clot. You know my bank account, dog shit. You know my bank account. You that like to see.
You can't trick me.
Fuck you, bitch.
You can't trick them.
Fuck you. A 1 million blood clot Jamaican dollar me spend since me come here. 1 million blood clot dollar. You dog shit.
Fuck you.
Look where the boy cuss me over there. Look where my cuss me for. For work.
For work what?
How the fuck you for cuss me because me at work?
I let her talk.
This pussy old, me not see me now. Get out of my face. You do it now. You do it now. Do it. Put your hand on me. 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 No, call the security guard. You think my blood clot afraid that you may stab up your bomber clot. You dog shit. You want to sit down in a hotel and live the best life? I used to make a blood clot work. Move the bomber clot from your dog shit. Move the David, make me bust up in blood clot head. Alright, watch me. Move David. Move David. I straight to your blood clot head now. Okay, make we say. I two away and one of your dog shit. Come. Come, bitch, come. Come, bitch, come. Come, bitch, come. Your shit house here. You want to drink. You want to eat. You want to eat. Live in a my hotel resort. And have a problem with me working. Where your blood clot things there? You think say I pussy myself for afford all this you dog shit? You stinking more bitch. Shoot me pussy hole. Shoot me pussy hole. You dirty stinking motherfucker. Shoot me pussy hole. Shoot me. Yes, shoot me. Shoot me. Yes, shoot me. David, don't give him no money. You don't have to give him nothing. It's my hard working money. Don't give him nothing. Already called the cops. Put your hand on me pussy hole. Spend another 10 years in a jail. Me not even a budge, you know. Me not even a budge, you know, dog shit. Me not even a budge. You're like a stinking ass bitch. I'm David. Them are gonna lock me up today. Cause I swear me I gonna do him something. David, don't try to stop him. Try to stop me. Cause me out to get myself in a trouble in a Jamaica. Cause the pussy hole you want me to go prison. The pussy hole want me to go prison. Go away boy, your mouth stink like. David, I'm me you for protect. I'm me you for protect. Cause you know say me have a terrible temper. Imagine where this pussy wall a fight me over. Come here work. And call this pussy hole out the door 24/7 with woman. And me say to him, say, oh, the fuck you for try stop me from work. Me not moving up. Me not moving up. Come want a mark for me. Me not moving. Me not moving. Me not moving. Me swear to God, me ready to kill your blood clot. Me swear to God, I've had enough. I am not moving. And if you put me on your hand upon me, you're going to get where you look for. I swear to God, I've had enough of this country. I've had enough of the blood clot people them. I've had enough of every fucking thing. And right now, I don't blood clot care. You understand? You understand? I don't blood clot here right now. So I just want you to touch me. I just want you to touch me, dirty stinking boy. Look, me day I work the whole time, you know, I upload my song them to YouTube. Me not see this pussy clot from when? From when me every day me not see me now. From him get up 8 o'clock, me not see him till 12 o'clock in the night, you know, or if him come to use the bathroom. And me not have a problem with that because I don't want you like that. No, you are go vex with me because me tell you say it's important that I make money. You are gonna tell me say you not care about money. When you motherfucker is the same one who call me broke. Huh? You stinking mouth boy. Call me broke all the time. Touch me. Touch me, me not budging. Me not moving. I am not moving. I want you to touch me. Touch me if you're bad. I am not moving. I am not moving. You understand? Prison bud, me not move. Me not move. Because guess what? This whole time, I mean make you survive in a life. This whole fucking time. All the 3 weeks you eat, you wouldn't eat if it wasn't for me. If it wasn't for me, you would not drink rum and yam food and swim in a pool and then you go cuss my hustling. You know why he vex? Because my male fan call. You understand? And him I said me should have give him the phone for raise up my male fan. So I said, why you worry about my fan? And you're my fantasy. What the fuck is wrong with you? And so me forget I'd write this everything stem from. So nobody enough to call me. But you can depend on the phone when me bring pan America. I text woman non-stop, not go so pussy all. But me say, take your freedom. If God said to me right now, God said to me, Amari, what is it you want? You want a man or you want to be rich and famous? Me say, Father God, me not sit down with that.
We don't want each other, it's clear. We don't want each other.
You know what me say?
Are you paying the way for me?
Me say, I'm money me a blood clot defend. I'm money me a blood clot defend because when me don't have it, you understand? I ain't no see him one treat me like shit. Immediately on the blood clot road. Immediately on the
blood clot go live up your money.
Me swear to God. Me swear to God. No, blood me up. Blood me up. Blood me up. Blood me up. You got to raise them. I'm not afraid for you. I'm not afraid for you, dirty drunk cross. I'm not moving. I am not moving. I am not moving, Colin. I am not moving. Because I know say the police them a watch. I am not moving, Colin. I swear to God, I am not getting up. 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 No, man. Dial 0, David.
Don't forget up. You feel like you can check me on camera. I want to see you.
I am not getting up.
You don't forget up. Nobody knows you no more. Mr. Philip, me. I have a blood drip and you have to do this and that.
Bro, just stay separated, please. This is not it.
Fucking drama, bitch.
Why the hotel won't answer the phone? I call them all this time, and if me did for lose my life, them don't answer the phone. I don't know why I came to this fucking country. I don't kiss my ass, you dog shit.